I've actually met a lot of really cool, interesting people through these events, and the biggest thing that I liked about it is I've been to like networking events before, co-working spaces where you're just like sitting at a computer and a desk, and you're just there to work, right? Everyone else has their headphones in. You're not able to, can't talk. You feel weird if you ask someone a question. You're just there to, just get work done, which is serves a time and place. But at these events, it's all about connecting and growing and expanding your network. And the amount of people that I was able to meet that, gave me inspiration or gave me ideas, and I was able to actually, communicate and have these conversations with people that we now are developing our own ideas and our own businesses and our own imaginations. So it's been really cool to meet like-minded people, to work in an environment that's friendly, it's cozy, it's comforting. There's refreshments and beverages, and you're able to either go outside and communicate and have side conversations. Just being in a comfortable space, right, where like you don't feel like there's like those incandescent light bulbs flickering and fans going on the ceiling, and you're just you're like, oh my god, this feels like a jail cell. It's someone's inviting you into their home to share their space for you to connect with them.
What was it that was awesome? What was it that
that was fucking impressive.
that was on point.
I'm really good on camera, okay?
What got you to go initially?
I mean, what got me to go initially was actually my girlfriend sent me a group link saying, hey Sean, this seems like something to be right up your alley, because she knows how much I like to network and communicate with people and really just like, be able to talk. I think talking is one of my strong points along with what I do for work. And she just sent me this group link on a WhatsApp group. She's like, Sean, I think this is right up your alley. So I went on to it. I saw what the description was, how it was people that were, in a conscious mindset, that were open to new ideas and new experiences, that want to be able to share their experiences, share their ideas together. And I was like, fuck yes, this is for me.